Hi, this is Kent with iCleanFloors.com. We're cleaning the largest masjid in the New Orleans area. If it's good enough for us to clean, if it's clean enough to pray on, what else could you ask for? Once again, Kent with iCleanFloors.com. That's my son over there cleaning a little area. Ooh, he's soaking wet. Kind of upset with me because I'm not letting him go to a pool party. Well, if y'all girls would wear more clothes, maybe I'll let him go. A little over 6,000 square feet, I think. Yeah, a little over 6,000 square feet and several rugs. iCleanFloors.com. My name is Kent. Give us a call. 504-355-2563. Good enough to pray on. Clean enough to pray on.